as you can see ahead of me, the traffic here is nothing compared to coming down Baltimore Street through town. The po-po. Po-po. Where the hell are they headed? I don't know. That's why I'm out here riding around. Where the hell is everybody going? Hey. Smile. You're on candid camera. Hey, Indian. Nice. Make no jokes about it though, there is a lot of firepower up there. And it's all seems to be the po-po. Federal agents and what the hell ever. They are set for some bullshit. Other than a couple good old boys gathering, I ain't seen shit. You see out there, that's General Lee statue. That was protected pretty well yesterday. I imagine there's a lot of people down there again today. Pennsylvania Monument routed over there. It seems like a lot of stuff is scattered. A lot of people are scattered throughout. There's no one huge concentration, because as we've seen, there's bikes everywhere, there's people everywhere. Hell, from what they lost not having the reenactments this year, I think all this bullshit and hoopla is really playing into the town, and all this drama is going to be a good thing. I hope it is. I hope people are coming here, they're getting hot, they're buying drinks, they're getting hungry, they're eating food. They need sunscreen out in this shit. No. I see you creeping. Hey now. What the hell just hit my helmet? Alright, well it didn't splat. That's good. Hey rider. Hey rider. Lady rider. I need a place to set up camp and smoke my cigar, relax, sightseeing. I made it into the circle. I should have hung out there for a little bit. But the goal of this video is to try and find stuff.